one you need to know. This used to not be on the AP test, and they have now put it on there. You definitely need to know this one. d dx, 2x squared. 1 over 2 plus e to the 2 dt. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, uh-oh. What's the problem? There's no constants. They're both variables. Okay, so we have to go back into our kind of memory bank here of our properties. We just used a property up here that says I can flip it and make it negative. Well, we're going to use another property here. Okay, remember the property of, let's see, what did we do? A to b, f of x dx, plus the integral of b to c, f of x dx, is the integral of a to c, f of x dx. Remember that one? Okay, that's what we're going to kind of use here. Kind of a subtraction version of it. I'm going to take the integral from 0, and you just pick 0 because it's a nice, neat number, to x squared, the biggest. Then I'm going to subtract out 0 to 2x. And this is all d dx. Now let's think about that. Remember, these are intervals, these are not graphs. They're not functions. So if I go 0 to x squared, that gives me the whole first one, correct? And 2x, you know, is smaller because it's the bottom. That will give me this, right? So if I take the whole thing 0 to x squared, subtract out 0 to 2x, I'm left with exactly what I want, 2x squared. So if you do 0 to the big one, minus 0 to the small one, you're always going to be left with what's in between. Does that kind of make sense? Now from here, this is just the FTC, but be careful, chain rule involved. So first we plug it in, but then you better multiply by its derivative. What's the derivative of that? 2x. On this one, we plug it in. And what's the derivative up there? 2. Anything other than x, you're doing the chain rule. So let's clean that up a little bit. I have 2x. Well, actually, no, I don't have to put it on there. Let's just leave it. E to the x squared minus 2 over 2 plus e to the 2x. What? Definitely one you need to know. There are a couple of homework like that.